Hello guys, how are you? Yeah, today guys I'm on my walking meditation, and I've come to this way because I wanted to show you this part of this peaceful part of this side of the world. Okay, so I just saw a squirrel there, see? Yeah, so I love spending more time here guys, because it's very quiet of course, and also if I need some fresh air and some peaceful environment apart from the parks and from the gardens here, I spend my time here. So yeah, and also just to show you what it looks like here. Yeah, there's cemetery. Yeah, it's very peaceful and very organized and clean. Okay, so there are loads of big trees there, and today the temperature is 19 degrees, but it's most cloudy, and it's nearly autumn now. So yeah, so the summer is ending soon. We still got sunshine sometimes, but the temperature is still warmer though. But yeah, so it's gonna be cooler soon than normal. Yeah, so yeah, let me show you guys the rest of the place. Okay. Beautiful guys. So here guys, they've got a church. They've got their own church inside the cemetery. Yes, and we're going there now. So see that tree guys. These are my highlights here. When I first saw this place, I was very amazed. Yeah, and they've got loads of types of trees, and especially that tree over there. That tree is a monkey tree. It takes years and years for them to grow that tall. See their church guys. Yeah, that's their church. Yes. And then I'm gonna show you another part of this cemetery and the other side. Okay, so let me show you. So we've been there, so that way. Okay, we've been to that side, and now we're going to that area there, straight ahead, and then come. reach this part now. No? Can you see how big it is? And then we've been there. Yes. Can you see the church at the end? So we're coming back there, and we're gonna do the other way. We're gonna walk to the other way, to that side over there. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. The church now again. So we've been to that part over there. Yang nasa ano natin. Yan. So yeah, that's the back of the church. And then let's go to that side of the road, and then let me show you guys. Okay, so this is a massive place really, and the sun is out today, so it is a perfect day. See, that's a monkey tree, guys. There are loads of monkey trees here, but yung ano kasi, yung sun, against the sun siya. So let me show you that angle over there. Yes, that's a monkey tree. Yeah, it's fascinating, isn't it? And that's a church. Yes. Okay. Alright, so let me show you the other part. Siya, guys. So that's the end of this part, and that gate over there, that's kind of the entrance of this cemetery. So as you can see, that's the main road over there. Yeah, so I've been to the back gate from our place. So this place, guys, is very close to our house. Yeah, so that's why I spend more of my time during my walking meditation here. Yeah, because it's very peaceful place. As you can see, beautiful trees. There you go. That's the monkey tree. That's my favorite tree here. I keep telling my husband one day I'm gonna buy some of those and put it in our house, but I mean in our garden, but it will take years and years for them to grow that big or that tall. Yes, see? So we've been there to the church, and that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day ahead. Take care. Bye.